Joining us now is NASA astronaut Leroy Chiao. Leroy, good to have you back. And I might ask you to put your Olympic judge hat on there. You heard us discussing the landing. What grade would you give its landing? I mean, a little bit off center, but it landed.
Right. It did land, soft land, and it landed intact, and all the instruments and experiments are sending back data. So, from that standpoint, certainly a success. Did not stick the landing, so points off for that. Appeared to have some lateral drift, close to touchdown of about 2 feet per second. Not quite sure why that rate didn't get nulled out, and also seemed to have come down a little more with a little more speed than it was supposed to. I'm sure the folks at Intuitive Machines are analyzing data, and I have no question in my mind that next time they'll stick the landing and get a perfect 10. So, very successful again. The first commercial effort to actually soft land on the moon, the first U.S. landing in well over 50 years. So, hats off to all the folks that made it possible. The engineers that saved the landing just moments before when they had problems with their ranging device and uploaded a software patch to use that NASA experimental ranger to successfully get down onto the surface.
Why are these soft landings so difficult? Because we've seen other nations try them and fail.
Right, and in recent months, and even closer than that, you've seen the Indians succeed in landing near the South Pole. You saw the Japanese lander have a similar issue, touch down softly, but then somehow tipped over. And so it is seemingly a little more difficult now than before. But of course, in the Apollo days was a long time ago. These were human rated systems with astronauts on board. Neil Armstrong famously had to take manual control to avoid a large boulder field that they were being set down into, and he was able to take manual control and guide it to a spot that was boulder free and land successfully. All of the Apollo missions were, basically landed by hand. And so it is a little more difficult under automation. You've got to rely on your sensors. And if they're not working properly or they get confused by shadows, then there could be an issue. So the automated landing, in a way, is more difficult than the human guided landing.
Fit this in, if you can, in the broader picture here of how this lander fits in with broader plans to bring men and women back to the moon and perhaps further on someday to Mars.
Absolutely. The NASA Commercial Lander program is partially funding companies like Intuitive Machines and a few others to deliver payloads to the moon. And the idea is they're landing in the areas of interest down there by the South Pole, where NASA is interested in establishing a future lunar base for human exploration, sustained human exploration. So these landers will eventually be able to send back data, and that would be useful for establishing that base. They'll also in the future be able to provide logistics, bring supplies to a lunar base, and support other NASA needs in that arena. And so they are kind of the first steps towards that hopefully sustainable exploration of the moon that we will see happening here in the next several years.
Well, maybe you and I get a ride on one of those missions. Probably more likely you than me. Retired NASA astronaut Leroy Chiao, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.